Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's our Leetcode daily challenge is max dot product of two subsequences. So we are given two arrays num1 and num2. We have to return the maximum dot product between non-empty subsequences of num1 and num2 with the same length. So a subsequence of an array is a new array which is formed from the original array by deleting some values. Okay, and without disturbing the relative position of the remaining characters, which is important. So for example, 1 2 3 4 5 is our array, so we can take a subsequence array which is 1 3 5, but we cannot take 1 5 3 because the order is getting changed. Okay, so here if we see the example 1, we are given these two arrays. Now, what will be the answer here? So the answer would be this 2 into 3 plus minus 2 into 6, which is equal to 18. So here you can see the two arrays we have taken. The length of these two arrays are same, and they are in the order only because 2 minus 2 is coming after 2, and here minus 6 is coming after 3, right? So, and the sum of the product of these two is maximum. That's why this is the answer. Okay. So here what we have done is to multiply by 3, and we have ignored this 1 into 0 because it will be 0 only. Minus 2 into minus 6 will give 12, and 12 plus 6 would be 18. Okay. Here if we come to the second example, minus 3 3 and minus 2, and here it is 2 minus 6 and 7. Okay, now here the possible combinations could be like 2 into 3 into 2, which will give us 6, plus minus 2 into minus 6, which will give us 12, and 12 plus 6 would be 18. But there is one other answer which is 3 into 7, right? So if we take this particular combination, we will get the maximum, that's 21, right? Now how we will find this combination, like which one is greater and which one is not, right? So what we will do is we will apply a simple technique, that is we will find all the combinations, right? We will find all the combinations, we will find the sum of the products of those combinations, and we will at the same time we will store the maximum one, right? In this way we will get the answer. So I will directly take you to the solution. So first let me tell you the approach, what would be our approach. So we have to find the total combination, right? So how we will find it? So see, there will be three possibilities. Either, so suppose take this as an index, right? 0 1 2 3, this is three indexed array. 0 1 2, this is two indexed array. Okay, we can take the zeroth index, that is 2 and 3. So this is the one combination. Or we can, there could be a possibility that I don't want to take this 3, right? In this case, because the 7 is the answer. So if I don't want to take this 3, then I will take what, 2 and 0, right? That is zeroth index of nums1 and first index of nums2. Or what I will do is I will ignore this one. I will take the first index of this nums1 and the zeroth index of uh, nums2, right? And there is a one more case, that is ignore both 0 to 0th index, and we will move forward. But this condition will also be covered among the previous three only. I will tell you how. Okay, so I'll directly take you to the solution. So forget about this DP. First, just have a look at this recursion. Okay, forget about this DP for now. I'm sending this nums1 and nums2, and I'm sending this I and j, which is our index 0 and 0. Okay. If I maximize it, okay, now it's better visible. Huh. So here we are calling the recursion. Okay. What I will check first. First I'll see, we will increase the value of I and j index, right? So we will have to apply a condition that I index must be less than this nums one dot size, and j should not be greater than equal to nums two dot size. Okay. If that's the case, we will simply return this particular value. Otherwise, what we will do is forget about this dp for now. We will, the first condition, that is we will take the both. Okay, so if we take the both, then what we have to do is we have to multiply these two values, that is ith index of nums1 and jth index of nums2. Okay, which is 0 and 0 in initial case, plus what we will do, we will move forward, right? Because we have taken the zeroth and zeroth index values, so we will move forward with the recursion. We will call the recursion we will send the num1 and num2 array, but we will send the index I plus 1 and j plus 1, because 0 and 0 we have already got the value, so we will now send 1 and 1. Okay. And what is the other condition? That is the second condition. That is, we don't want to take this jth index, right? So basically, I want to take the zeroth index. So basically, ith value of num7, but I don't want to take the zeroth value. So j will be plus 1. So we will send here j plus 1. Okay. And the third condition would be, I don't want to take this I, that is zeroth index of nums1, but I want to take from of nums2. Okay. So here I am sending the array I plus 1, that is 0 plus 1 would be 1 and j will be 0 only. Okay. In this way we will cover all the three conditions. Okay. And then uh, what we will do is, we will simply, here I have taken the DP, we can simply return this. If we don't take the DP, we will simply return the max of all these three. Okay. The DP is for the optimization, otherwise it will give TLE. So what is the, how does the DP work? So here I have taken the DP. Okay. I have taken this 2D vector of the same size as we are provided of nums1 and nums2. I have initially I have taken all the values as minus 29. Okay. I am sending this DP. Okay. What I am checking is, if this condition violates, I am simply returning this 1e9. Okay, minus 29. Otherwise I am checking. So see, I don't want, if I have visited this I and j value, I don't want to visit it again. Okay. So I am here applying a check that if this particular in this value is not minus 1e, which we have put it initially, if this is not the case, I will simply return the dp of I and j. Okay. Otherwise, what I will do, I will apply this recursion, and here in dp of ij, I will initialize the max of these three values, like the take both, take one or take two. Okay. And then I will simply return this particular value. Okay. So if we try to dry run this, we will take this particular example. Okay. So firstly, if I send this 0 and 0, so 0 I is 0 and j is also 0. Okay. So here what will happen? Take both. Take both will, what it will do? Nums of I plus nums of 2 of j. That is 3 into 2. 3 into 2 would be 6, plus max of 0 comma, again we are calling the recursion on this. So we are sending the one value from here and the first value from here, right? So minus 2 and minus 6 we have sent, and in here we will come again to the recursion. So again we will check that dp of ij, that is dp of 1 and 1, is not visited. So we will come here again, we will say take both. Take both again, take both is equal to nums of I, that is the first index. So minus 2 into minus 6. So minus 2 into minus 6 would be how much? 12, positive 12, plus max of 0 comma I plus 1, that is 2 index of nums1 and 2 index of nums2. Now when we reach here, we will see that this condition will violate. Okay. Because we have reached the maximum value of this particular index of this particular array, right? So it will return minus e9. So here now we have this, we can say like int min value, right? So why we were, so here we are taking the max of 0 on int min. Why we are doing this? Suppose if we take it int min, and then we will, this was our 12 now, 12 plus int min would be, it will be negative value only, right? So this 12 is already greater than this int min, then what is the need of taking that? Okay, that's why I am taking the max of 0 and this. Okay, so 12 plus 0, it will be in that take both, and take 1. Now take 1 means I am taking the I, that is 1, and j plus 1 would be 2. So now we are here. Okay. Again we will come here, we will take both. Take both means minus 2 into 7, which is minus 14. Okay. Again the recursion will be called, and again the, here we will get the int min. So int min, that the maximum would be 0 only, so minus 2 plus 12 minus 14, so we will get return here from here minus 18. This will also be int min only, so from here we will return minus 14. Okay. So minus 14 will get return. After this, minus 14 is here. Okay. And here we have 12, so 12 plus max of 0 comma minus 14, which will be 0 only, so it will give 18. Okay. So in the take what we have 18, then again this recursion will call take place. Okay. So in this way it will take place, and we will eventually we will find all the subsequences. We will visit all the possible combinations, and whatever the maximum value we will get will be simply returned here. Okay, so from here it will return this particular value. This is 21. Okay, hope you have understood this problem. It's hard, but it is mentioned hard, but it's more kind of a medium problem only. Hope you understood this video, guys. If you like this, please hit like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.